So another piece of functionality that we have here as well is the ability to actually authorize on sales quotes and sales orders. So let's take the scenario where you have a customer, they have a sales order, and then for this case, let's say that before you want to complete or confirm or proceed with the sales order, you want to make sure that you're authorizing funds on their account. So under the sales order here, if you go to the iPayments tab, same thing, and this card I'd already had on file, so we can actually keep that. Um, Let me put my name back here. And then if we go ahead and hit authorize, we now have our authorization that's complete. This successfully authorized. We didn't get any errors back with the integration. So we know, okay, we've got these funds reserved. And then what can happen is when we go then to actually do the invoice, the system will automatically then capture those funds based on the already authorized transaction. So let's go here. We'll just do a simple invoice. Okay. And then um, if we go and look at our invoice journal, and then we go look at our authorization, we'll see that this was the initial authorization we did. We see the process type has turned into capture, and we see that the payment journal has been created and posted. Okay. And then let's go take a look at the transactions that come about on this customer for those payments that we did. Right. So if we look at our invoices, we just did those. We have our payments. If we look at the balance that's remaining, you see that there is no balance because those have been settled against the payments that were just done. Another way that you can visualize this is that we have actually created on the customer card our own collection form. So I pay collections. It kind of simplifies the overall look. So here's like a number of payments that have been done, and some invoices. So let's say, for example, a collection agent. I want to say, okay, we've got this payment for whatever reason. Maybe they came in as a check or something, but we want to settle this payment against however many invoices. They didn't go through the click to pay route or anything. Um, we can simply take this and say, okay, I want to settle this against, um, this that has a $4,900 remaining balance. Let's apply the settlement. We'll do a quick little refresh here. That payment is gone, and that goes from 4,900 to 4,800. Um, Additionally, through this form, you could say, okay, I've got this invoice. The customer's calling in. I want to make a payment. It's going to take you back to this form that actually has a few of their captures that they've actually already done through this form. But we want to take this, we want to say, hey, I want to capture it just like the other one. We enter in the card if they don't have one on file, capture, and then uh, that invoice is paid as well. So that's some additional functionality that we have baked in.